Hey guys, we're going to be making fluffy egg clouds. If you don't know what that is, keep watching.
Here is an overview of all the ingredients you'll be needing: bell peppers, seasoning, some diced sausages, and of course eggs. Now I'm going to be dicing up those sausages as you can see me do so. This particular one is smoked sausage. You can use whatever is available to you. You can even dice up your meats for this particular recipe. Now that we have that done, I'm going to be washing my board and then crack some eggs into a bowl. What you want to do is separate the egg whites from the egg yolk and then whisk the egg whites until it becomes this fluffy cloud.
When you're done whisking and you turn it upside down and it doesn't come off, then it means you're done.
Here's my oyster sauce. I love to flavor my eggs with oyster sauce. I'll be adding a bit of that into the egg whites that we mixed earlier. What you want to do is to lightly mix this. Do not over mix. Now I'm going to be oiling my baking pans. I'm going to be using my butter. Melted butter works fine. And now add your clouds. You're going to add that fluffy egg white. Now the yolk is going to come to the center of that. And as you can see me do, you're going to just create a hole at the center, put in the eggs, put in those diced sausages from earlier, and then the bell peppers. Add your seasoning. It's so pretty. And guys, now it's time to pop that into your LG Neochef Microwave. Just a few minutes, and guys, we're going to be using the grill function. Yes, the LG Neochef Microwave comes to the grill function. And guys, this is what we have. Always, if I don't shock you on this app, who will? It was well cooked, it was crispy. Oh yeah.
If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community. See, you get a chance to try out this LG Neochef Microwave, and you see the link in my bio. Go and join today. And remember guys, life's good.